Welcome back, everyone. Today's video is all going to be about the Sprint Health dashboard, and this dashboard is using all out-of-the-box features from the Jira itself. So I haven't included any apps out there because I really believe that this is enough that should be actually seen, especially for the sprint burn down gadget, because it tells you a lot. But there are actually some of the additions that I have added, and I'm going to through this specific dashboard. So this dashboard consists of 4 gadgets. First gadget is about the blocking issues within a specific board. So you can actually go through multiple boards that are the Scrum boards. So that is one thing that you can actually do. And what is important is that when you're including the blocking issues, you need to make sure that the linked work items are actually containing blocks. So what do I mean by this? What I actually mean is when I go to my filters and I go to blocking issues, so it needs to be created by the JQL itself. So that's the first thing. So first, what you're actually doing is you're including the name of the project itself and also the sprint of this specific project. Now, what it will actually do is if you're selecting your active sprint, it will define it either as number 1 or a different number if you're actually having another different sprint that is actually active, but that shouldn't be the case. Also, you have this part right here where it says issue link type that equals to blocks. So that is important in here. And as you can see, I have seven of them. When I go back to my dashboard right here, you're going to see that I was using a 2-dimensional gadget for the first one. And in there, I have included the assignee, and I also included the statuses as well. So we can actually see the Mitch Davis actually has been slacking in there, and we can ask him about some of the information on what is actually going on in there. Then moving on, we have the Sprint Health gadget, which is pretty straightforward. What is the overall sprint progress? How many of the story points? So we have 34 in here, and also we have the 39. And if you actually see in here, what happens is when I hover over, it gives a different JQL status. So the first status is in this status for to do, and the others are the ones that are related for the statuses in architecture review, in progress, testing, and accepted. But what we have in here is time elapsed, which is actually 100%, which really matches the below gadget in here. And now what is it saying? That work complete was saying, well, basically almost 0%, which is a really terrible thing to actually have. Why? Because there was a scope change. Of course, this is a scope creep of 40%, and this is a disaster. If you're having something like this, the recommendation is like either reset the whole sprint and start from over, or basically just count this as one of the failures. Of course, there are critical issues in here. When I actually click on this, it will lead me to there. So Mitch Davis was actually having a lot of critical issues that he hasn't done. And there are two of them that were assigned, and from here I can see who are the assignees in the sprint itself. Sprint burn down gadget, probably the most useful gadget that gives you the whole overview of what was going on in here. Well, basically in April 2024, there was an estimation of around 52 story points, where basically based on this gray guideline in here, everything was actually going at least smoothly, and it ended in 0 story points. But what was happening in the meantime is actually from the period of April through around more, it's going to be more the October itself, so November, December, there was a red flat line. So basically this means that none of the work was actually done, and that is not good. So nothing was done. It was either moved to a different status, but it wasn't moved to done. But not only that, from that flat line, we also have this line right here that is extending, which is this scope creep change, where there was more work being added to the sprint, which actually reached more than 70 story points, and that was also a disaster in there. And then from there, all the way from the April, there's still a flat line, which is a bad sign, saying that none of the work was basically being moved to done, and that is really bad. And there's days remaining in Sprint gadget, it says 0 days remaining, and it's in red. What this actually means? This actually means that even though the sprint ending time has actually passed a long time ago, it hasn't been closed yet within the Jira itself. It's still being active. So it should be closed a long time ago. All right, so this is how you actually build this sprint health dashboard, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you.